Hello, today we're going to look at constant of proportionality. What is constant of proportionality? The constant value of the ratio of two proportional quantities, x and y, usually written y equals kx. Or, if you want to find k is equal to y divided by x. What is k? K is called the constant of proportionality. What is the constant proportionality looking at this table? So I made a new chart. I wrote my x's, then my y's, and now I'm going to write what y divided by x is. If I divide 1.5 by 1, I get 1.5. If I divide 2 by 3, I also get 1.5. If I divide 4.5 by 3, I get 1.5. And if I divide 12 by 8, I get 1.5 or 1.5. Therefore, the constant of proportionality, or K, is equal to 1.5. Okay, the table shows a proportional relationship when all the ordered pairs represent equivalent, I'm going to put an equal sign, ratios. Okay, try it out. What is the constant of proportionality for the line that runs through both these points? Again, I should use a ruler since I can't on my iPad here. I'm going to do my best to draw the best straight line that I can. Okay, I'm also going to look at these ordered pairs. If I look at the ordered pair in quadrant 1, it is over 3 and up 2. So this is 3, 2. If I look at the ordered pair down here in quadrant 3, it is left 3, down 2. So it is -3, 2. Now I'm going to make a chart and fill in these ordered pairs in my chart. My first ordered pair, the x was 3, the y was 2. Second ordered pair, my x was -3 and the y was -2. Now I'm going to do y divided by x. Y is 2. 2 divided by 3 is 2/3. -2 divided by -3 is also equal to the fraction 2/3. I know 2/3 is a repeating decimal, so I'm going to leave my answer as a fraction, 2/3. And you can always leave your answer as a fraction unless otherwise told to do so. So my constant of proportionality is 2/3. Finally, which of these lines has a constant of proportionality of 4? And our constant of proportionality of 4, if I was to write that as a fraction, would be 4/1. So I'm looking for 4/1. Remember, the y is on the top and the x is on the bottom. So if I were to write this as an ordered pair, it would be 1, 4. So I go over here, and I've already put some dots on the number line. I would go over 1 and up 4. And I notice that this line right here is the line that has a constant of proportionality of 4 because it's over 1 and it goes up 4 if you look at where it goes across here. Now it is your turn. On the next page, you will try some problems on your own. Do the you try problems, and we will go over those in class tomorrow.